Good morning, children. Welcome to Naveen Sir class. In previous class, in playing with numbers, we discussed HCF, highest common factor. Two methods we discussed prime factorization method and continue division method. Today, we will discuss LCM, least common multiple. Now let us discuss about the least common multiple. We will write as a short form LCM. L is nothing but least, C is nothing but common, M is nothing but multiple. Least common multiple LCM. Now the definition of LCM: when we find all multiples of two or more given numbers, we will identify some common multiples. In the common multiples, which is the smallest, least multiple is called as a least common multiple. So here the LCM is nothing but by finding the all multiples of two or more given numbers, we will identify some common multiples. So multiples are common, then in the smallest of those common multiple is called least common multiple, that is LCM. So these are methods of LCM to find LCM. There are two methods to find LCM. There are two methods to find LCM. First method is prime factorization method and second method is division method. So here the methods of finding LCM, we have two methods to find the LCM. First method is a prime factorization method and second method is a division method. Here we are finding the LCM by first method by using prime factorization method. So in this first problem, we should find for this following numbers by using prime factorization. We are finding the LCM for these two numbers. So prime factorization method. So let us take the first number. Let us factorize by using only prime numbers. Take with least prime number as a 2. 2 ones are 2, remaining 1. Then it will be 16. 2 8s are 16. And again divide with 2. 2 9s are 18. And again divide with next it will go in 2 table, no. Then go for another with prime number 3. 3 3s are 9. Here more we can factorize? No. So next 16. Take with go with least prime number 2. 2 30s are 60. Next again go with 2. 2 1s are 2, remaining 1, 10, nothing but 2 5s are 10. Now 2 table between will not come. Let us go with another prime number 3. 3 5s are 15. Can we factorize more? No. This is a least factorization. Now let us write the factors of these two numbers. 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and 16. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So we are finding the least common multiple. Common. But we should take common factors of these numbers. So let us identify the common factors. 2, 2, yes, again 2, 2 and 3, 3. So factors of both 36, 60 are the common factors 2 into 3. And next take the other factors of both numbers. Take other remaining factors of both numbers. Both numbers are what? 36 and 16 are what? 3 into 5. Now we can find the LCM by taking the product of common factors, prime factors, and as well as extra factors of both numbers. So we can find the LCM of two numbers by taking the common factors. First we have to take the common factors, and then we should take the extra factors of those two numbers of their product is LCM. So now we will find the LCM. LCM of 36, 60. We will write first common factors 2 into 3. Next these are the common factors. Next we should take the product of extra factors also 3 into 5. Now let us multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are 180. So the LCM of 36 and 60 is 180. Now second problem 125 200. Let us find the LCM of these following numbers by using prime factorization method. Let us take 125 first. Now I am taking with 5. Why? Because 125 will not divide with 2 and 3. The next prime number is 5. 5 2s are 10. Remaining 2. So it will be 25. 5 5s are 25. And again we can divide with 5. 5 5s are 25. Next 200. We are taking 200. Again we can go with 2 table. 2 1s are 2. Remaining 2 zeros and 2 50s are. Next again 2 25s are. So next we can divide with 5 table. 5 5s are 25. Now let us write the common factors of first write the factors of these two numbers. 125 5 into 5 into 5 200. We will write as a 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So now let us identify the both common factors. 5 5 5 5. So these are the common factors. So now same as this, first take the common factors. Take common factors of 125 200. So what are the common factors? 5 into 5. Now take extra factors, extra remaining factors, extra factors of 125 200 are remaining two extra factors are what? 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 2. Now LCM of these two numbers, which like we will find the LCM of two numbers by taking the product of prime factors and as well as extra factors of both numbers. Now LCM of 125 200 is equals to first common factors of 5 into 5. Next remaining 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. So now let us multiply 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 250, 250 2s are 500, 500 2s are 1000. So the LCM of 125 and 200 is 1000. Like this, in the by using this prime factorization method, we can find the LCM of following numbers. Here next, we will find the LCM by using division method. These are the following numbers: 84, 112, and 196. We will find the LCM of this following method numbers by using division method. Solution: in division method, we will write these numbers at a time. Like this, we will write 84, 112, 196. While dividing with a number, these numbers, at least two numbers we should divide. Here I am taking 2. Here, when we are taking a number, this number should divide at least two numbers. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1, it will be 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, remaining 1, 16, 2 8s are 16. Again divide with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Next 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, remaining 1, 18, 2 9s are 18. So these three numbers are divisible by 7. Let us divide with 7. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 7s are 49. So more we can divide with any number? No. Why? Because 3 and 7 are prime numbers. We can't go for further factorization. So let us write these numbers as a product of numbers: 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 4 into 7. So now we will find the LCM by multiplying these numbers. Now LCM of numbers 84, 112 and 196 is, so let us multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, 28 3s are 84. So 84, if you are getting big numbers, so up to here we got 84, remaining product of two numbers. The product of two numbers is 4 7s are 28. So like this we can divide. Then the answer: 8 4s are 32, 2 3 carry, 8 8s are 64, 67, 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. Let us add these: 2 15, 1 carry, 12 plus 1 13, 1 carry 2. Then the LCM of 84, 112 and 196 is 2352. Second problem: 102, 119, 153. We should find the LCM of following numbers by using division method. So let us write a solution. Let us write the numbers at a time. 102, 119, 153. So these numbers, it will divide with 17. 17 6s are 102, 17 7s are 119, 17 9s are 153. So now next we can take 2. No. Why? Because at least two numbers should divisible by taking number. So we can take 3. Yes. By 3 we can divide these 6 and 9. So 3 2s are 6. 7 will divide? No. If the numbers are not divisible by the taking number, we should write as it is. 7 we should write as it is, and 3 threes are 9. So more we can factorize? No. Why? Because these are the prime numbers. Prime numbers we can't factorize for further. So now let us write the numbers as a product. 17 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 3. Now LCM of 102, 119 and 153 is, let us multiply these numbers. 17 threes are 51, 51 twos are 102. So 102, again we are getting big number. So let us multiply these two numbers. 7 threes are 21. So we are multiplying with 1. Then these numbers we should write as it is. Next 2 twos are 4. 2 into 0 0. 2 ones are 2. Let us add 2, 4, 1, 2. Then the LCM of 102, 119 and 153 is 2142. Like this, in this way we will find the LCM for these following numbers by using division method. Homework problems on playing with numbers. First problem, find the LCM of following numbers by prime factorization method. By using prime factorization method, these are numbers. Two problems are given in this: 48, 56 and 72. First problem, and second problem 26, 14 and 91. And second one, find the LCM of following numbers by division method. So you should find the LCM of following numbers by division method. So these are, in this also given two problems. First problem 45, 99, 132 and 165, and second problem 48, 60 and 92. Thank you. Keep watching.